All right, so example 1, we're going to go ahead and solve a graph on an actual graph of a quadratic that has 2 roots. So automatically I know by the example title that it's going to cross twice. That's going to create a 2-root situation. 2 zeros, 2 roots, 2 x-intercepts, those are all the same thing. So we're going to use what we know about graphing a quadratic, and we're going to see where it hits our graph. So first off, I know that the 5 is the y-intercept, so that's going to go on first, the 5. Okay, that doesn't help me because I can't, see where the x-intercepts are. So I'm going to go ahead and look for the axis of symmetry and the vertex and see where we're landing. So remember that the axis of symmetry is negative b over 2a. So negative b would be negative 4. 2a is negative 1. So my axis of symmetry is at 2. So it's here coming down, and I'm going to go ahead and flip over my point. Okay. So now I have, let's see, I want to do the vertex next, which I don't know if it's going to help me find the roots or not, but we got to graph the whole thing to see where it's landing. So plug the 2 back in, I get negative 2 squared plus 4 times 2 plus 5. So looking at that, we have 8 plus 5 is 13, minus 4 is 9. I'm seeing 9. I want to double check that. 8 plus 5 is 13. Yep, 9. So it's all the way up here. It's 2 comma 9. Hopefully I'm not missing anything. So I know my graph is going like this. It's going like this. So I need another point, and hopefully I can pick a point that is going to be an x-intercept. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the next point in our line on the positive side. I'm going to pick x equals 5. That's the next one over to the right. So we're going to plug in 5, and hopefully it's going to give us 0, because that means it's going to be on that x-intercept. So plug in 5. Negative 5 squared plus 4 times 5 plus 5. And that is 0. It adds up to 0. So my root or my x-intercept or my 0 is at the 5 there. And then the other one, I'm going to flip this point over, is going to be here at negative 1. So I don't even have to solve that one because I can just flip it. Okay, so 5 and negative 1. So the solutions are 5 and negative 1.